Going to want to solve this equation for x. I see a lot of logs. Luckily, they all have the same base. At this level, they always will. But I do see multiple logs in my problem. And on this side in particular, I do want to condense this down to just one single log expression. So I want to say log base 2 of just one single thing. And then this side, I can leave it alone. Has equal log base 2 of 7. But what to put in those parentheses? What to put in those parentheses? Well, these are being added. And there's a rule for condensing logs where if you have log of something plus log of something else and those bases match, we can write one log expression, but take this inner thing and multiply it by this inner thing. So what goes inside there is you can write down 3x plus 15 if you know where I'm going. I'm going to show all my work and say it's going to be this 3 times this x plus 5. And now as I look at both sides of this equation, I have log base 2 of all this stuff equals log base 2 of this thing, and the only way those could be equal is if the only way these could be equal would be if this and this were the same. So I'm going to set 3 times x plus 5 equal to 7 and solve the equation from here. So that 3 is going to distribute. 3x plus 15 equals 7. I'll subtract the 15 from both sides to get 3x equals negative 8. And I'll divide both sides by 3 to get x equals negative 8/3. And I need to verify that this answer makes sense. So if I take this negative 8/3 back into my original problem, and if any log in that problem ends up being a log of a negative number, I cannot use that answer. Obviously, I'm not going to plug anything into here at all, so don't worry about that, or here. But if I take negative 8/3, and I add 5, by the way, negative 8/3 as a decimal is negative 2.6 repeating. So if I take negative 8/3 and plug it into here, if I added 5, I don't care what the answer is, negative 8/3 plus 5 is going to still be a positive number. And that's cool. That means I can use it. So this answer that I got doesn't cause any problems. It's my final answer, x equals negative 8/3. So quick recap, the goal is to get one log expression on each side. Once you have that happening, set those insides equal, and you just you go from there. Good luck.